What's up, it's your Unc. So you want to replace your Lexus logos to the black mode. Here we go with some tips.
Fitness, foodies, and the fabulous absurd. From burpees to Camus, you're never gonna know what you're gonna get from your Unc, Burpee Yoga Uncle.
Well, first off, you got to get the kit. And a few things you want to have is masking tape like the blue one so you can line it up correctly, as well as tools. The main thing is you need to get the glue gun, as well as something. I use a suji or fish wire to take out the glue that's stuck in there. But I was having a big challenge doing it because I thought the thing was just completely glued in there. So I was using the wires, the fish wire, to squeeze it in, and it doesn't go through at all. I don't understand why, because it seems so easy, but it's not. And while I'm doing it too, I'm also spraying that glue gun onto the fish wire. So that's why I'm putting it down. I'm spraying it and then put it back in. That's why you see a little bit of condensation on the tape, because the glue gun helps ease the transition of you scraping out the glue from that plate, and that's very important. And as I keep doing it, I keep wondering how come I can't go all the way through. And then I realized once I got to a point where I realized I gone as far as I can, something's not right. I went to get a different piece of equipment. It is used to scrape things. It's a plastic one. If you can find a plastic one, that's great. If not, you can try to maybe use something that's plastic that's kind of hard. The kit that we bought came with it. We didn't know what it was for, but we found out this is what it's for. So after I've gone so far, here's the thing. That's that blue little scrape thing. It is actually helps a lot to get rid of the plate, the plastic plate, by squeezing it, right? And it's not hurting the car because it's plastic. And as I pull it off, I realize why my wire, my suji, my fishing wire doesn't go all the way through. It is because as I'm pulling it, you'll see it from the edge. As I'm pulling it right now, there's literally 2 notches on it. You see there's a hole there and a hole there, and it's not 100% correctly aligned. And you can see it right there, that the hole, and that's the reason why the wire does not go through. So this is a main tip. You're going to use the fish wire to go as far as you can, and then after that you're going to use a contraption like this to start peeling the plastic plate off, right? And on each side of the car, the misaligned holes are opposite. So here I am doing this is the driver's side of the car, and the other picture before was the passenger side of the car. And as you pull it off, you'll see that the holes are again aligned different, and I'll show you at the very end. You'll see what I'm talking about. This one I didn't spend as much time using the suji wire because I realized that it was for naught. I just did a little bit. That's why it's a little bit harder to get this one out. Well, the other one I spent a lot of time doing it. So the longer you use a fish wire or even dental floss with a glue gun to get rid of it, the easier it is for you to poke that out. But I thought I could just do it with a muscle. So another tip for you would be just to use the fish wire longer and use the glue gun and use the technology of the glue gun to get rid of it for you faster. See, I'm having issues with this here, but eventually I got it out. You'll see it here. And yeah, it's a kind of a struggle. I'm doing it in real time so you can see it. Yeah, I'm still messing with it, my old hands and all, but finally I think I got it, and you'll see it's finally coming out. I'm just holding it on and I'm pulling it, and finally it's coming out. There it is. And you can see the holes are misaligned different. So you just gotta watch where it is. And once you take it out, I'm gonna compare the 2 different ones for you so you can see the difference. This one, you see I didn't use as much glue gun with the tape. See, this is the plate from the passenger side on the right hand side, and the other one is the driver's side, and the whole alignment is different. So you just have to watch which one goes where. Use the fish wire and the glue gun. I highly suggest you use glue gun because I don't think you can do it without the glue gun. And the other thing for the glue gun that is needed is because when you want to put the plate back in, you need to get rid of all the glue that is on your car, because it's gonna be bumpy if you don't do that. And that's what I'm doing right here. I'm using the glue gun. I'm gonna spray it on, and it works pretty quick. It dissolves it, and then you use any kind of a scraping mechanism, preferably plastic. I mean, definitely plastic, so you don't ruin your car's paint, and you're gonna clean it up. Again, I'm doing it in real time to show you actually how easy it is. Believe you me, that glue gun really helped a lot. As you can see, scrape it, and the goal is to scrape it all clean. Yeah, it's kind of laborious, and you're gonna do this for every single emblem in the car. Usually the car kit comes with a front emblem, the back emblem, your logo for the car, model numbers, and then the side, so everything can be blackened. And you can buy them aftermarkets. My kid got them for their car, so I don't know where they got them at, but it's very inexpensive, and if you were to take it to a car dealer to do it, they would charge you an arm and a leg, and it's not really that hard once you get the right equipment. Again, glue gun, a little plastic contraption to scrape, and also masking tape, and also fishing wire or fish wire, or worst come to worst, you can try dental floss. But the glue gun really helps a lot to get rid of the paint. Again, you can spray more if you want to, but the goal is to get it as clean as possible. And the ending is almost there. Once you get it as clean as possible, you're gonna wipe it clean again with some more glue gun, and then after that, you're ready to apply the new emblem, the blackened look. See, this is about as clean as I could get it. I'm gonna wipe it down with a clean cloth, so get rid of the glue gun, because I want the surface to be very stickable, and the glue gun is the complete antithesis of that. So I'm just using a cloth with water to wipe off all the excess glue gun. And then my alignments there. I mean, you don't have to have masking tape if you don't want to, but it really definitely helps a lot with the model numbers in the back. While these, because they got holes in there, you'll pop in right there, you can't mess up. But for the logos, which is toward the end of this video, they don't have really any holes. So if you don't have the tape, and you might misalign and tape it and put it in wrong, right? So that's why the masking tape helps a lot. And then here I am taking the logo out, and all I'm going to do is tape it in. Now after this, towards the end, you'll see the logo, front logo. Again, they don't have any holes, so it would help if you have tape to align it. And the main thing for alignment also is for the model number. That one doesn't have any holes either, so the masking tape definitely helps to make sure that you install it correctly, at least it's level, right? And that's it. That's pretty much it. You can see the one that we bought didn't have holes. I don't know if you saw that, you caught that. So if I didn't have the masking tape, I would have to eyeball it, right? So that's why it definitely helps you have masking tape, because sometimes they have holes, sometimes they don't. The ones we bought didn't have holes, so if I didn't have the masking tape there, I would not know if it's straight or not, and that would be terrible. All right, thank you so much. If you're down this far, please hit that like and subscribe button. Now it looks like it's professionally installed. It's aligned correctly and level. And here, this one has holes in there, so you don't have to worry as much. But again, same thing, you gotta kind of watch, because because there's a logo, it's easy. Like this one, the 300, it doesn't have anything at all. So if you don't have that masking tape there to make sure it's aligned correctly, when you install the new logo, you might make it crooked. All right, thank you so much. Bless up. Hit that like and subscribe.